Hello and welcome. I am doing another test case today for the Microsoft Excel Collegiate Challenge Finals. I'm not sure what order these are going to end up going up online in or if they'll all even go out at all, but this is the second one I'm trying out, which I think is going to be for the semi-finals. And I guess I should caveat with all of these that I don't know for sure that the final form will be the same as what I'm looking at right now. But so I think the idea is that they're going to have 5 minutes or a few minutes to read through and then half an hour to solve. So I'm going to give myself the same. So let's start by seeing what is this. In Cats and Dogs, you put yourself in the position of a future pet-owning Excel all-star. You'll have to determine how much of your Excel esports earnings will go toward the cost of your pets. Level 1 to 3 ask you to calculate those costs for your current Excel All-Stars, and levels 4 and 5 track those pets as they run around at doggy daycare. Each level provides the information needed. Are cats or dogs better? Okay, so we got 3 bonus questions. Okay. Each of these questions relates to one of the sections below in terms of plot. Bonus 1 or 2 are totally unrelated in terms of calculation. Across all breeds, was the average weight of males in pounds round to 2 decimal places? I see. Okay. Fine. Well, let's just do that. No, sorry. I'm doing reading time first. Whoops. Got ahead of myself there. Which human caretaker has the most cats? Pet's name, species, breed, age, Excel. Okay. I guess this is the human caretaker. Has the most cats. Okay, fine. So that should be easy enough. Maybe we want to use group by for actually. After the adoption of the pets in level 5. Okay, so we'll have to read about level 5 to understand that. Okay. Popularity contest. Which pets are most popular? Using the Pets data tab, count how many of each breed of pet are cared for by Excel All-Stars. 24 domestic cats in the pet data. Domestic cat. Okay, got it. Okay. Guess their weight. In this level, we will estimate pets' weights based on their breed, sex, and age. So each pet is the average weight for its breed. See breeds tab. Also, the pets are fully grown at age 2 and onward, and 1-year-olds are half the weight of an adult. Okay, cool. Fine. So we got a breed, sex, that corresponds to a weight. Got it. Clear. And then we have to just half it if it's 1. Simple. Okay, analyze the animals. Oh, there's a bunch of other tables here. Pounds up to and including cups of food. Okay. In this level, you must determine how much food each pet will need over 12 weeks, 84 days. Each pet's daily food needs are based on its age, weight, and species. To estimate each pet's weight, assume each pet is the average weight for its breed. Also assume pets are fully grown at age 2 and onward, and 1-year-olds are half the weight of an adult. Fine. Use each pet's age, estimated weight, and species to determine their food needs. Okay. Note that 1-year-old needs double the recommended cups of food. Okay. Half the weight, but they need double the food. Okay, fine. And dogs older than 9 and cats older than 12 need 25% less. Okay. Whew, alright, fine. Example, Lola is a female domestic cat that is 17 years old. The average weight for a female cat is 9 pounds. So, hang on. Female domestic, average 9 pounds. Yes, fine. Let's look at Lola. Cat, let's freeze panes here so we can actually see the headers. So she's 17, female, food type wet. Okay, fine. What does each pet's daily food need in cups? Okay, fine. I think that's fine. Pets cost what? This level calculate how much Excel All-Stars spend on their pets in 12 weeks. How many bags of food they need over 12 weeks to feed their pets. Owner must buy a whole number of bags, no fractional bags, and that some owners prefer wet versus dry food. Okay. 5 bags of 20 cups each. Okay. There's a lot going on here, but okay. Seems fine. And then I'm not going to look at level 5 yet. Okay. So, got 10 seconds left in my 5 minutes, and then we can dive on in. The first thing I'm going to do is probably make some tables. Okay, that's my 5 minutes, so let's start. Alt HT, make this a table. Oops. Call this pet. And whoops. And then make this a table. I'll just call it B for breeds. And then we'll call it M avg and F avg. That will be equals average of take of text split of this by delimiters of dash and space. So we text split that, multiply by 1, take the first 2 columns, take the average of those, and that seems to work fine. Copy that across, and here we just need to change it to refer to weight female. Okay. And then across all breeds, what is the average weight of a male in pounds? Okay, so it's just the average of that column. And technically we need to round, even though it shows it rounded, so fine, round to 2. Okay. Which human caretaker has the most cats? So I think that for this I can do a group by. So I'll just give myself enough space to actually do it. So we'll do group by. So I'm going to group by the all-star, where the values is let's say that equals cat. I could filter, but this is going to work fine, I think. So I'll say minus minus that equals cat. And the filter function is sum. Spills, okay, fine, so move it over here. And then sort on column 2 descending. And there it is, Jason Weber. So we want just index of that 1, 1. Cool. And use a group by. So cut that, bring it back over here, drop it in. All right. So then let's count ifs. And this is from the pets tab. So pet breed is this. Cool. 0. Okay, Keyshawn, I guess that's not a thing. All right, guess their weight. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to say sum of this times this equals $G74 times left of $J74 equals left of this. I think that would all work. Okay, where are my brackets? Come on, help. Okay, so open, close there, open, close there. Okay, I'm missing just a closing bracket. Yes, yes, fine. So that's 23, and then times if this equals 1, then 0.5, otherwise 1. So I can do 23, that's 9, okay. That's working. Okay, analyze the animals. This level you must determine how much food each pet will need over 12 weeks. Okay, so first let's just X match this against pet's name. That's 201, so then I need what information? Pet. I need their breed. By this. So Lola is a female domestic cat, so I need their age. I need gender. It's called sex. Okay. So let's put these in the same order as they are up there, and then I'll be able to get the weight for that. So that's in G's, then 3 columns over for the next one. Domestic, 1, 2. Put it over there. And should be able to put this here. Gives me 0, that's not good. Oh, what? Wait, huh? Okay, now next one. Next more columns here than I think. Oh no, I've locked some stuff. Ah, crud. Okay, fine. So get rid of all the dollars. Okay. Now I get 9. The average weight of a female cat is 9 pounds. Good. Cats greater than 7 and less than or equal to 10 pounds require this many cups of food per day. Okay, fine. So for this, I'm going to make that 1,000 because nothing, I assume, goes over 1,000. And this, make it 100. Make it 1,000 as well, doesn't matter. Up to and including, yeah, so that's going to be a next lookup. I just want to unmerge these. Okay, so then, sorry, we also need to know, that gives me, I guess I should, this breed, this is, call it gender, they call it sex, I don't know, age, this is estimated weight, then, oh, sorry, this is going to be, oh yeah, no, that's good, so we're already factoring in the smallness. Okay, so then, 1-year-olds need double, so I just mult, and we call it age mult. So if this equals 1, then 2. Otherwise, if, oh, and I need whether it's a cat or a dog somewhere. All right, move that over. Let's move this over as well. What is it called? It's called breed, it's called species, thank you. I know my words. Okay, so species, cat. Okay, so then here we're going to say if age equals 1, then the age mult is 2. Otherwise, or, and age is, where are we now? Older than 9, so age is greater than 9, and this equals, so older than 9 is for dogs, so that equals dog. So those two, or age is greater than 12, and this equals cat. Well, actually, I don't need that equals cat, do I? If age is greater than 12, then it just meets the condition. So anyway, we could shorten that more, but that's enough. So if any of those is true, then they need 25% less, so 0.75, otherwise 1. Too many arguments, but so hang on. If it's equal to 1, 2, if, or all this stuff, come on, give me my colors back. Sorry, so I need an if here. If all that stuff, then 0.75, otherwise 1. I think that's right. Okay. Then my age multiple is 0.75. So then food, and that's going to be if this equals cat, then XLOOKUP the weight in here, oops, lock returning from here, lock exact match or next larger item. Otherwise, the same thing, but with different lookup ranges. And that is, yes, we're still looking up the same quantity, but now we're looking it up here. Lock returning from here, lock. Okay, so that's that. That is the food per thing. Then we need to multiply that by the age multiple, and we need to multiply it by 84 days. Oh, no, we don't multiply by days. We're working out food per day. It says how much they'll need over 12 weeks. Okay, fine. Well, that's the answer anyway, so we'll link that in there, and hopefully we're good. And let's move on. Level 4. In this level, calculate how much XSTEL All-Stars spend on their pets in 12 weeks. All data is fictional. To do so, determine how many bags of food each All-Star will need over 12 weeks to feed their pets. Okay, so alright, so we got to take all this stuff. So take that and bring it into the pet data table. So we'll add, we'll add est weight. Will be breed equals come on, equals breed left of x equals left of that times if age equals 1. Okay, so that's the estimated weight. Then what else? We've got the age multiple. Age mult. That's if that age equals 1, 2, it's greater than 9, and this is at species. Okay, so we've got everything there. Okay, then we need the amount of food, and let's just give these names. So call this cat LB for cat pounds, cat cup. Call this dog LB, dog cup. So then let's come here. If it's cat, we're looking up in cat LB, returning from cat cup. Otherwise, we're looking up in dog LB, returning from dog cup. Should have really named the named ranges in the first place, so I didn't have to do all that faff, but whatever. Here we go. Okay, so then we come over here. Food, it's cups per day. So then we do this, and this is species. This is weight. Not sure if I need extra characters there. Let's stick it. Yeah, I do need extra brackets there. Otherwise, look up the weight in that and multiply it all by the age mult. Okay, so then if I look for Lola, that's my 0.5625. Good. All right, so I really should have looked at the instructions for levels 3 and 4 together and realized I could have saved myself a lot of effort, but never mind. So then I guess I just need dry, wet. Oh, I need cats. Okay, fine. So let's just take all of these. So just gonna do find and replace to get my first piece, and same thing to get the second piece. Okay, so then on some ifs, pet cups per day, where pet, not where percentile exclusive, where pet species is this, oops, and where pet food type, there it is this, lock. Okay, so hang on. There's 3 dogs and 1 cat. Each dog requires 3 cups, and the cat requires 1.05 cups. Wait, what? Oh, sorry, because I have not filtered for this. So also where pet, what's it called? XL All-Star is this. So 0. There we go. 1.05 and 9. That's dog wet. Okay. So all that stuff times 84. 756, yes, good. Okay. So then, actually, I guess what I really want is to expand these out into ranges so that I can do it all as a range formula. Boom, 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 boom. There we go. Okay, so then they come in multiples of what now? 5 bags of 20 cups in each. 19 bags, 20 cups in each. Okay, so in other words, it's round up this divided by 20. So round up this whole thing divided by 20 to 0 decimal places. That gives me 5 and 38. But, wait, what? Ah, sorry, there's different numbers in each one. Okay, fine. Fine. So not divided by 20, but rather divided by 2 row this lock. Oops, what? Huh? What? What's going on here? 130 to 133. So confused. Huh. Oh. Oh, yes. This is merged cells to the opposite of rescue again. There we go. Okay, it's 5 and 19. Yes. Let's just unmerge these cells. So then we need to multiply that by 2 row of this. And sorry, lock that also. Lock, boom, and some. That is the 909, just like we're looking for. Okay. All right, so last level. XL All-Stars have decided to add a new pet or pets to their family. Each All-Star will adopt a 1-year-old pet of the same breed and sex as their youngest pet. If more than one pet are the same age, they will adopt a new companion for each of their youngest pets. Okay. Calculate the updated pet costs for the next 12 weeks. In addition to food costs, the All-Stars must pay for a vet appointment for any new pets and any pets whose lives. Oh my god, there's so much going on here. Okay. Example. Andrew's youngest pet is Aj, a Samoyed male dog. He will adopt a 1-year-old Samoyed male dog. As a result, okay, well, that's doubled up. I'm just going to highlight that so I can let them know. He will now need to buy 26 bags of wet dog food plus the 5 bags of cat food for a total food cost of blah, 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 because Aj's last vet appointment was this, and Aj and the new pet, well, the vet appointment, so the cost of that for total of that. Okay. Whew! A lot going on here. All right, so the first thing is, this is the existing cost. No, I don't. Well, fine, whatever. So the existing cost is here. So we need existing cost, we need new pet cost, and we need vet cost. I guess the first thing I want to know is new count. So we can afford to break it down a little. Hang on, let's just see what the bonus question is so then I'll know where I'm going here. After the pet adoptions in level 5, which breed has the highest number of individual dogs? There are more XL All-Stars who take care of pets than the 21 All-Stars featured in levels 4 and 5. Okay. Alright, so then I'm going to have to do it a little differently. So let's come over here then, and let's take unique of these. Then let's take min ifs of this, where this is this. Then, so this is youngest, then count. It's going to be count ifs, where this is this, and this is this. The answer is there are not a lot of 2's. Let's see exactly how many there are. Bo, Brittany, Steen, and Robert. Okay, so I think I'm tempted to just deal with those separately since there are so few of them. So we're going to have whatever, just highlight these in yellow. Boom. Okay, so let's just highlight the whole row actually. So what I need is actually to keep all of these headers. And then name I don't need, but I need everything else. So here we're going to say filter. Wait, actually, let's do this. Let's do filter, sequence rows of this table. and then I want to filter it to, I basically want to know what rows have this in them. So it's going to be this equals this times this equals this. And these spill, and that's fine. Actually, here's what I'll do. I'm going to sort these this way. Oops, can't change part of an array. Fine, set off. Just get rid of those for a second. Okay, so then I can say that, 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 and that. That's a better way to do this. Okay, and then I can say index of this by this. Then just carry on the same thing. Sorry, lock this. So then it's going to be breed. Hmm? Oh, sorry, because you didn't copy the locked version first. Okay, we're slightly running out of time now. Sorry, I've already got the age. So next thing is sex. Get rid of that. Need to get rid of a little more than that. There we go. So here we go. Sex. Good type. Okay. Last vet appointment is irrelevant. Estimated weight is relevant, but only a little bit. So sorry, hang on. Yeah, the age for all of these is 1, whatever. Okay, never mind. Okay, so the estimated weight is going to be. Trip myself up now. This is taking too long. Right. What is the question? Highest number of individual dogs. Which breed has the highest number of individual dogs? Okay. I think I can answer that part now, actually. So let's just answer that part now. So we'll say equals filter. No, not file name. Filter. Breed where species equals dog. We want unique of those. 91 breeds? Seriously, that's a lot. Okay, fine. Count ifs. All of those lock are all of these. Boom. And then max of those is 8, which I see here. Miniature bull terrier. Is there any others? Nope. Okay, so that's the answer, I think. Answer is what? Which breed? Yes. Okay, fine. So that's that. And then, can I get this finished? Probably not, actually, by the feel of it, but okay. No, come on, I should be able to do this. So estimated weight. Come on, help. Give me back here. So the breed is equal to this, and where sex is this, and the age definitely is 1, so just times 0.5. So that's the estimated weight for all of these. The age multiple is always 2. And the cups per day is. Oh yeah, I forgot again that I have I'm looking at my timer and it's coming up on 30 minutes. I'm like, oh no, I'm not gonna get it finished. But of course, I started my timer 5 minutes before, so I could measure my reading time. So actually, I am gonna get it finished. So I should probably calm down. Anyway, times estimated weight and x lookup estimated weight times age mult, which is here. Okay. Now. So I don't need new count, I just need new cost and vet cost. So new cost is just some ifs. Oh no, shoot, I need to do this whole mess of stuff again. Alright, I need to make this into a table, which probably means I'm going to have to. Yeah, a lot of this will break if I make it into a table, so I'm just going to copy value paste. Terrible practice, but sorry, don't tell anyone I told you to do that. So we'll call this, I don't know, p_2. Okay. So then we will come, sorry, here, yes. And we'll put that there, and cut it, and bring it down here, and then we'll search for pet, and replace with p_2. I didn't like that. All right, so there's probably pet appearing somewhere else. Anyway, p_2, where p_2 species is all that stuff. p_2 food type is all this stuff. p_2 Excel All-Star is this. What the heck is wrong? Is it or is it not called p_2 cups per day? No, I thought I had named it p. Okay, whatever. Fine. Table 3. Just go with it. Don't care. Table 3. Table 3. And is that it? I think that's it. Okay. The new pet cost is 287. Brings you to 1196, which I think was what it said. Yes, good. Then it's going to be count ifs. So sorry, what? Any pets whose last appointment was in December, January, or February. Okay, so I'm just going to add a column for new apt December, January, or February. So January, February, and December. Cool. So these are x. Actually, just make them 1. Then we'll say equals count ifs. So we need how many new pets they have, which is just count ifs in this column is whatever their name is, which we'll find in a second, plus sum ifs, new appointment, where this is whatever their name is, which we'll go find now. So that's G173, and where this is G173, and that should give me 1 each. 2, yes. Then that times an appointment lock. Okay, so then this will be some of that. I could actually do a snazzy biro, but never mind. Okay, and then I think I'll hit time because I think that's it. So same deal as usual when I'm testing a question. I won't make you watch me debug, but I will go check my answers now, and if I got anything wrong, I will put a note down below the video to explain what I got wrong, what I should have done right, whatever. All right, that's all I got for today. Thanks for watching. See you next time.